All right, so this is how to use the save as meal feature in MyFitnessPal. This one saves you loads of time. So as an example, if you're doing your meal prep and let's say you plugged in what you're having throughout the week, right? You're doing your 228 grams of chicken breast, you're doing your 196 grams of sweet potato, and then you're doing your 2 cups of frozen vegetables. You're going to have that every day. So this is what you want to do. You're going to press those 3 dots in the bottom right corner, and then a little menu is going to pop up. You're going to select save as meal there in the middle. And then it's going to give you the option to name your meal, whatever makes the most sense to you. So as an example, maybe just name it My Meal Prep. Boom. And there you go. You're just going to save it in the top right corner. And now it's saved to your database. You can add that in with one click throughout the week. As an example, let's say you're having that same meal prep for dinner. I'm going to press add food. You're going to see my meals at the top. So you're going to tap on my meals. And now it's going to open up all your saved meals. And you'll see the my meal prep there at the top. And I can literally just add that in with one click if I press that blue plus sign. So bam, just pressed it. Now, if I go back to my diary, you're going to see that it's in there with one click. So you can use that throughout the week. And you can also save other meals. So if, as an example, if I go back to add food and I tap on my meals again, it's going to open up this big database of all these saved meals that I have. So as an example, if I scroll down a little bit and let's say I choose the tuna sandwich. So this is like a tuna sandwich I have every now and again too, right? Some sourdough, some of the ingredients, right? It doesn't really change much. So I don't always need to keep re-adding things in. So I can just literally just press the check mark in the top right corner, and then now it's added into my diary. So that's how to use the save as meal feature. Saves you tons of time.